name's Keaton.
My name's Jeff.
Oh yeah, you see those marks? That's from me that one night we went in test hits.
I know.
It's still there.
Nice.
Holy crap. What's up, guys? I'm Keaton. This is Austin. And we're going to pick up a gs300, hopefully.
Pretty much. I have all the money and I can buy all these cars. That's pretty much what goes on here. So we're gonna find out if this thing's a piece of turd or not. Has he sent you any videos? Any good jazz besides that one Facebook picture?
Nope.
Okay, well.
Barn find.
If it's a non-piece of turd, I'll probably sell my Honda Civic and I'll probably buy this thing. And I'll probably say I won't drift it and I'll probably end up drifting it. What's in Dumpy? What kind of horsepower are we working with?
117?
Yeah.
Maybe 117. Yeah.
Okay.
120.
These are at like what, 220 to the crank or something?
Something like that. Yeah.
So probably like 160 to the wheels at bare minimum.
Something like that.
Enough to spin the wheels.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I've always wanted one of these.
Air up on mucho machos.
Yeah.
Once I saw Hertz, that changed the game for sure. With that like candy red.
Oh yeah.
Then I was like, okay, those can actually be kind of hot.
This car's hot.
And it makes all the cool noises that it like doesn't look like it should.
Just spotted the car, pulling on up.
Give me a boner.
Is it?
Huh?
That's what Taylor says too.
No,
Right
I'm talking about
back
the
there.
car, not you.
Oh.
I'm
She likes
just,
when
I'm
I'm
just
back.
kidding.
Perfect. All right, there you go, Keaton.
That's a
Go talk to these
Camaro
people.
over there. Yuck. So you think I can't get out and do it? Or do I have to stay in here? Don't do that to me.
Here, don't break this door because it's very.
Will you
fragile
take
right
that? I don't want that. You can turn
What's
that
up,
off.
bruh? No, I don't record, Keaton. I don't record.
I'll take it.
I feel awkward. I feel like I'm invading space.
Yeah.
Not a big deal.
Right there, man. Dirty. He said he knows the owners, the old owners and stuff. He said that car's never been owned by somebody under 16 years old. He said everybody else was fucking old.
So you can't beat it.
Yeah. No, I paid like $600. I think.
$600 shipped, yeah. Can't beat it.
There's like no rust. That's pretty
I
cool.
was like, I had started it, so I had put it up.
I have.
Oh, yeah.
Is that because you haven't used it since the first engine? Which is way before Rob Hill 9.
Was it?
Yeah.
I used it Rob Hill night. I know I did. I had it on.
The family car. Dude, I want to take my wheels off right now and put it on that thing.
That would be hot.
Yes, it would. Sheesh! Let's get a battery in that beach. Are we jump back? Dude, this is gonna be tight, isn't it?
Got a bit. Well, I gotta go pee and we'll work on it fly outside because it's a little. That's not what a vlogger would do.
Yeah, I can do both. I'm working my way into the vlog, alright? Let me go at my own pace. I gotta see if the sun works.
You know
Oh.
it works, pal.
Oh!
Open that thing up.
What, the whole thing? You want a full?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on, let me figure it out.
Hey, check that AC.
Well, I can't check the AC now. I got the sunroof open. Hey, we might be about to run out of fuel.
Oh, back it off. What are you doing sitting there for?
Well, you got me thinking about the AC now.
Ain't got no gas in it.
I just want off.
Put your mirror on
Oh.
this ramp.
Alright, we'll pull her in there. I almost think we should work on it out here since there's so much space.
That's fine.
Keaton, just pull it up right here. Bring her in, bring her in. All right, let's check her out. All right, so we were told this thing wouldn't run except for with the jump pack, but it's starting and running just fine without a jump pack.
Alright, so rev it up a little bit. It's hitting 14, so the alternator is obviously charging. But I think the battery is just looks too dead, like too far gone for it to stay alive.
So I say we go take her for a drive.
Get a battery.
Yeah.
Take jump pack with us. Go.
What was that?
That's
Looks like it's got a new oil filter too. Kinda.
well,
You want? Is that? Can we strap down this battery, or was it already?
I can't find.
I
There's
don't
no
think
other
this
hook.
fan's working though.
That's an AC fan,
Oh.
which is probably not even up to temp right yet. I heard the fans kick on one earlier.
Oh, did it?
See, I don't even think this is the right hold down, honestly. All right, here's this. See if it'll start.
Yeah. Fire that puppy up.
Probably won't.
We haven't done anything to it. We'll see if she fires up. Oh, it's so close. It's right there. Do we need this anymore?
Nope.
Just gotta give her a jump. We'll go get a battery.
All right,
Be good to go.
Alrighty. Rev her up a little bit, let her charge. Why would you? We're gonna run into the same problem.
The dead alternator killed the battery, I would
And
assume.
if we have a dead battery, it will kill the new alternator because they need to help correspond with each other.
Right.
But
that's
driving
just
it-
charging.
Won't that'll happen between here and Martinsville?
It might, but we just put this on. Send it. You're too scared.
I don't drive cars with dead batteries.
Hey, they got brand new bulbs in here.
They said it needs brake work. I guess we'll see.
Might not be brand new, needs a bulb.
Oh, we do need some air. Yeah.
This tire's flat.
Can't do donuts with flat tires.
This thing is so sweet. This thing is sweet. I like the front bumper a lot. And it's got fog lights already.
Alright, which one else is low? This front one?
Hey, do we know what year this is yet? What'd that title say?
Is it a 90s? Well, then it should be like a...
Should be an 02, 03. I think 2000 to either 04, 05.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a 90s because it has an X, so it's 90.
About to take it for a first rip. Needs a little bit of fuel. AC is not very cold. It's actually hot. AC does not work, I can tell you that.
I know it's hot back here.
I feel like a classy fellow in this thing.
We took the trailer for no reason.
No reason at all.
We showed up, gave them the money, and then drove it home.
Guys, it runs good. Honestly, like the gauge a lot. Gives me a real Toyota, Corolla 900 vibe. How you doing back there, son?
Is there not? Yeah, so that's low gear right there. That's her low.
Too low? What's Stumpy got? A 1? She got 2.
She got a 1.
She got a 1.
That's the cops, that cool. This is
Are we dead?
Done dead ran out of gas. That's all gas.
Should we back her over there or should we try and go for it?
I think you should try to go for it.
Try and go for it. You're on crack. Put it in neutral. Push you backwards. Come on! Uh-oh, we got a car coming. You're good? Hey, your flashers work.
Now we're really gonna have to.
Should we stick the thumb out yet? Hey, this looks good though. The front looks good. What do you guys say? Why didn't he fill up?
What were we gonna fill up on?
Did you see the wing on that? He said he had gas to the house. Actually, I know he does. He's got 5 gallons.
Alright, so yeah, we got 5 gallons and then drop.
Yeah, full, ready to go.
Yeah, because technically your car
All right.
working. What are you gonna do?
So April 19th.
April?
Yeah, August.
August
19th. What time?
August.
6 to 11.
6 to 11. And then we'll probably go drive, you know, do some street stuff after that, right?
I assume so.
Okay. And how many people are drifting? Do you know yet?
Probably not any more than 10 people.
Okay. And we talked about some drift games.
Yep.
Doing some drifting and some car show. So, that should be pretty close to about it. You can find the post on my Facebook, your Facebook, your Facebook.
Do they know who you are?
Yeah. We're past that now. They better.
Here's something cool.
You have the address in that link, right?
Yep. The event.
That should be everything.
Naptown. Rename it Naptown JDM.
What's the name right now? Naptown.
Nissan X with Infinity, you know?
I don't know. Kind of like it. You had that.
Naptown
That,
Nissan is sweet for sure, but
You had that cover photo, if you will, looking pretty good.
yeah.
Address, time. Oh yeah, it's free. That's key.
It's a car meet.
He's got more to say, but before that, we're checking out this thing. That thing's sweet. We got some gas on the way, so we're good. Thank you. Heck yeah, bud.
Is that Volkswagen? VW on the back?
I think so.
Okay, what was it? Oh yeah, no hooning unless approved. No hooning on the street, because that's police for sure. I think we said like no alcohol. That's kind of a given. What else?
She's videoing me while I video her.
You video her longer.
This wasn't my doing. I think it was her.
I did mention gas before we left. I did. Oh yeah, it
Got
works.
some good old kerosene
It
for
works.
the.
I usually can make it to the gas station, but then we didn't.
Oh, they must be.
Ain't got no gas in it. There you go.
I want no gas on the
Oh, do you got a
car.
rag?
On the car, Kobe. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Get it. 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 Yeah. That's a. You got that. You're pinching the stream.
Oh, wow.
You can't shove it in soft.
I would shove it in soft and then I get rough.
I do like that style of bike. Man, I'm starting to get a head buzz. That was supercharger noises. Those weren't turbos. You hear that? Come on. Come on, kitten. Give her the... Talk nice to her. Sounds like she's dying. Where's the jump pack? Oh, God.
We're gonna do one shot, so that's all you got.
That's all you got.
What do you need, down?
No, I got you.
Whoa! Alright, that's better.
Good? Can you
Yeah,
see?
one shot.
Can you see?
You look lined up right there.
Yeah, that looks good.
Looks good. Ready?
Yep, straight. Oh shit! Keep going, keep going. Okay, I wasn't pushing. I could push a little more. I wasn't pushing. No, I was not. Yeah.
Right there. Good. Yeah. You didn't even take this fender off.
He told me he's gonna climb out the window.
Alright.
I'll just let him be. He's got her. Big pimpin'.
Let's go. Let's go. I'd put one strap on the front, one strap on the back. That's fine. That's all she needs. Yep. Alright. She broke down for the first time.
5 minutes into their first test drive.
But it's all good. We think we know how to fix it now, so that's all worth it, even though I'm still hungry.